Hello everyone and welcome to Veganize Anything. Today we will take a slight advantage of the popular Netflix show Squid Game and veganize a dish with a vegan squid in it. So, we'll be making garlic butter squid with cilantro. Let's dive in. Before we start, take a look at the ingredients we're gonna be using today. With a vegan squid, just use whichever vegan squid alternative you can find in your store. We are using HOKKAIDO FLOWER SQUID from a plant-based Singaporean brand called OKK. We will leave a link in the description below in case you wanna check it out. So, if you happen to have the same vegan squid we have, defrost it and cut it into smaller pieces. If you are using a different vegan seafood alternative, adjust for it or skip this step. When you are done, add 2 tablespoons olive oil to a large pan or skillet. Heat it up and lightly stir fry your vegan squid pieces until they are lightly brown. Now add 5 cloves of minced garlic. Half a teaspoon chili powder and move it around the pan a bit. Add 2 tablespoons vegan butter. One tablespoon white cooking wine. Move it around again. And add 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, followed by a handful of roughly chopped cilantro. Half a lemon juice and lemon zest. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. And finish it with 1 teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon pepper. Stir fry it all on medium heat for about 3 more minutes and we are pretty much done. Prepare a dish and plate up your squid. Don't forget to add on the top some of the spiced cilantro sauce that's left in the pan. Add a few slices of lemon on the side and sprinkle some fresh, finely chopped cilantro on top of the dish. Finish it off with a handful of sliced green onions and we are done here. Take a fork and have a bite. Or two. Or, well, looks like no sharing or fine dining today. I'm just gonna finish it all by myself as it is, in one go. And I hope you'll enjoy it too. Alright guys, that's it for today. Let us know what your favorite vegan seafood brand is down in the comments below. Please like, subscribe and share this video with everyone. And as always, don't forget, you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching and see you next week.